This is Premier Water and Sewer. We're at 723 Junk Station Road. We're doing a post-repair lateral inspection. Before we pulled the brass cap off on the inside, could not get our camera pushed out. So right there we're looking at a 4-inch cleanout. That is kind of like right on the boundary line in a utility easement. Going back to 4-inch PVC, going back to the existing 4-inch cleanout that was on the system. See right here we pull through a turn, which is actually a Y connection. We're going to go down a 4-inch vent that's coming on the roof, coming up through the roof on the back side of the house, see if that takes us to there. But we do not know where that catches as of this moment. Alright, right back here we pull through our 4-inch clean out. We'll go ahead and pause and we'll push it upstream and we'll go from the house line back to this clean out. Alright, resuming our recording. So this line that we're cameraing just goes back to a floor drain in the basement. Right now we're looking at the floor drain. This is inside the interior of the home, we're just showing it. And this is just catching a floor drain in the basement. We'll go back to our 4-inch cast to 4-inch PVC connection. There's the house line. Go back to the turn. Again, that's just catching a floor drain. We pull up the vent here. You can see we put in a long sweeping sanitary tee right here. This catches a bathroom addition on the house. We put a clean out on this line, so we'll take a video of that real quick to show that. Alright, we're resuming our recording. This is at the house line, 4-inch cast iron. There's a 4-inch Y coming through the wall there. Put the PVC cap on the back that catches a single bathroom addition on this house. There's the clean out throughout the house. And we get it pushed downstream. See, we go through a 45 long sweeping sanitary tee. There's that vertical riser that ties into the 4-inch PVC below. So we'll pause here. We'll go down to the far clean out that we started the video with. Go from the main back to that clean out, and then get on the roof and take a video from that, hopefully that Y connection back to the house line. Resuming our recording, we're at the main. So we're going from that clean out that we started the video with. Going back, this line goes uphill most of the way towards the main. It's fighting grade. We'll be underwater for a good portion of it. About right there, we go underneath the storm sewer, so it looks like there's a couple of repairs done there. Go back through a turn, offset, clean out. So we'll pause here, we'll go down from the roof out to that Y connection, if possible. Alright, we're resuming our recording. This is at the 4-inch Y. See it's right there. And just behind it, there's that turn that we went through. So we're pulling back, 4-inch PVC. So right there we have a buried clean out. We'll pause and we'll locate that real quick. I lied. Alright, we're resuming our recording. This old clean out here is buried below the concrete. I pull back through a turn there, come back into cast iron. About right there brings us to our house line. That'll conclude the video. Oh, in addition, this line running out catches bathroom, all the plumbing in the basement except for one floor drain, and I believe a bathroom upstairs.